Let's talk about the best AdSense alternative for YouTube video monetization in 2025. But first, let's lay the groundwork. Google AdSense is supposed to be the dream, right? You get views, YouTube shows ads, and boom, the money rolls in. Except it doesn't. Not like it used to. In 2025, creators are still making pennies while AdSense changes rules faster than we can even keep up. And here's the part that no one wants to admit or talk about. If AdSense vanished tomorrow, do you know most YouTube creators would be broke by next week? That's sinking. But today, I'm going to show you the smartest AdSense alternative for YouTube video monetization in 2025. One that could actually make you more money than AdSense ever will, even if you got a tiny channel with not many subscribers. Let's be real. AdSense is the equivalent of trying to live off spare change from a sofa cushion, just like you're watching TV, if you ask me. And the worst part, it's unpredictable. 1 month it's up, the next month it's down. 1 month you get a nice deposit, the next month is slashed in half. Your CPM can drop overnight. Your ads can get limited without warning because of advertiser preferences. And don't even get me started on the channels that wake up one day to find that their monetization has been disabled for some mysterious policy violation that no one can explain. And even after you appeal it, nothing. So if you're relying on AdSense, you're basically playing financial roulette with your income. That's exactly what you're doing. But there's an AdSense alternative that's not only safer, it's something that you can control 100%. You don't need millions of views. You don't need to beg for sponsorships or brand deals. And you don't have to have a lot of subscribers. And it works whether you're brand new or been grinding for years. I'll tell you what it is in just a few seconds. But first, let's talk about why this method works so much better than Google AdSense. In 2025, YouTube is more competitive than ever before. But here's the good news. You don't need to win the views game. You need to win the conversion game. That's the difference. That's the game AdSense is terrible at. But this alternative that I'm talking about is amazing at. Instead of relying on YouTube to sell for you, you're going to create something of your own that you control, something that solves a problem that your audience actually has. And that is where the money is. And here's the kicker. You only need a fraction of the views to make the same or more than you get from Google Ads. Here's an example. Let's say you got a $20 product and you sell just 5 of them per day. That's $3,000 a month. Yeah, I'm calculating it in my head. Do you know how many views you need to make $3,000 with AdSense at a $4 CPM? 750,000 views a month. Yeah, but no thanks. The best AdSense alternative in 2025 is selling your own digital products directly through your own videos that you record and you create. Why digital products? Because they're instant delivery, no shipping headaches, and your profit margin is basically 100%. You create it once and it sells over and over again. I've been doing this for years. And let me tell you, digital products are the one income stream that YouTubers can't take away from you. Nada, never. And before you start thinking, but Cheryl, I don't know what to make. I don't know what to create. That's exactly why I created my brand new 3-in-1 digital product power bundle. A tongue twister. Inside of it, you get 100 digital product ideas, for hungry buyers. Yes, I already researched. These people are hunting for what you're going to offer. So you're not guessing what will sell. That's step. I'm excited about it. Step-by-step guide to creating digital products. Even if you're not a tech person, I show you how to create it. And then I have another ebook with 30 websites where affiliates are waiting to sell your product for you, so you can scale without paid ads. What are you waiting for? Go to the link in the description. It's the same process that I use for my own channels. And it works whether you've got 100 subscribers or 100,000 subscribers. And if you're sitting there thinking, okay, I still don't know what to sell, let's make it real. Earlier today, I released a Notion template guide as a digital product. I built it in one afternoon. I listed it, and it can now sell on autopilot for years. That's the beauty of digital products. Mwah! I love it. You make it once and it keeps paying you forever. And here's a hack. If you don't want to design your product from scratch, here's the clue. Use Creative Fabrica. It's one of my go-to sources for templates, planners, and digital assets that you can turn around and customize to how you want it and then resell it. I've linked my affiliate link for Creative Fabrica below so that you can check it out. And you can also be an affiliate as well. It saved me months of work, helped me release products faster, way faster. And here's the real magic. You use your YouTube videos as the sales funnel. Every time you create a video, you tie the topic of your product, your digital product, and the video together. For example, let me give you an example. If you're making a video about how to create digital products with AI, you naturally show viewers your digital product bundle as the perfect shortcut to save them time. That's how you do it. And you talk about this in the video. That way you're monetizing the same day that you upload that product, not waiting until YouTube blesses you with that AdSense check. I'm grateful. I'm grateful for it, but you can do better. So if you're ready to stop stressing over AdSense and start building an income you actually control, grab my 3-in-1 digital product power bundle today. It's linked below this video in the description. And you can start your first product today, this week. Oh, and before you go stressing and Googling tools for product creation, don't do that. I already did all that work for you. I have all the links for the tools that I've used and the resources that I've used to create my digital product bundle. And they are below in the description. You can go check them out and save yourself hours of stress and worry and work. And if you want to see my full breakdown of 5 easy AI digital products to sell online in 2025, make sure that you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when it drops, because that's your next step to making AdSense be just a backup. Not your main paycheck. Thanks for watching, and I hope you got some value from this video. That's the intention here. And I know I'm animated and passionate, but I go through this too. So I want to let you know that there's another way. Until then, stay informed right here, because I have so many underground secrets coming your way. Yes, take care now, and thanks for watching.